Hello. So, hi everyone, welcome back once again to our daily hacking news. So, hi everyone, welcome back once again to daily job sharing series. Today we have a couple of openings which is for freshers, experience a lot of people those who are looking for a job in cybersecurity. Thanks for watching this video and let's start with the first job posting. Before that, this is a funky disclaimer which means whatever job links I'm going to say with you just authenticate from your end because I don't want you to be a part of any scam, right? Now let me start. So this is the first job link that we have which is in cyber areas. So they are hiring for VAPT associate, and the good part is they don't want any experience, right? So VAPT intern you can join, and this is email ID where you can share your resume. Most of the people complain me, sir, I'm not getting the response. So you can just WhatsApp them on this number, right? So that they will respond you very quickly. Probably they will respond with this email, right? And meanwhile, if you're looking for internship at VIH, you can check out the both the URLs at the top left. Now the next opening is basically it's a cybersecurity position SOC Analyst L1, which is permanent role. This is work from office in Mumbai. 6 month to 1.5 month of years of experience is required. 6 month to 1.5 years, remember. And if you want to join as an associate consultant, 1 to 3 years of experience required. 24 into 7 rotation shift is there, and this is 30-day immediate joining. The other JD is job description. This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume if you feel like it's fit for you, right? Now the next opening is pentesting testing and advanced network security specialist. It's in Delhi NCR, full time, immediate hiring. What you will do, conduct advanced pen testing, all those things. Who they are looking for, right? So if you have all those knowledge, tool knowledge, and all those things, you can join. Soumya at sprenex.com.au is the mail on which you can drop your resume. Next opening is basically SOC Analyst, which is the immediate joining. Work from Work mode is work from home, and this experience is 6 months of experience required and up to 3 years, right? So the job description is mid journey SOC position open, and this is 6 month hands-on experience if you have, and if you have up to 3 years, then you can join it. This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Meanwhile, check out all those things what they are looking for, right? Now, next opening is in Bangalore. It's in India. They are hiring for the Sent. If you have knowledge about Sentinel, Sophos, and Defender alert systems, right, which is working with the SIEM. So 1 plus years of help desk and cybersecurity experience is required. If you want to work as a SOC L1, if you want to work as a SOC L2, then you should have 5 years of SOC experience required, right? And yeah, this is what we have. You can drop your resume on this mail ID, and this is what they're offering, right? Next opening is basically as a GRC intern in this uh, Black Shield HQ. 3 months of internship program is required, and this is what they're looking for. Eligibility is all those things, and this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? So that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching. This is the URL if you want to learn about web application pen testing. If you want to learn about SOC, check out this URL. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Jai Hind. Hello.